Hello everyone, this is your Atrangi Shru, and as you know it's Navratri season, and today we are going to discuss about top 10 Hindi Garba numbers. So before we start, follow my channel and turn on the post notification. Number 10. Radha Kaise Na Jale from the movie Lagan. In this world where everything is fast, including food, this slow melody seems to have touched the hearts of many. Even though the tempo of this song is slow, it does not allow your feet to slow down. Number 9. Pari Hoon Main. This was one of the famous pop songs sung by Sunita Rao in the 90s and till today which is danced on during the Garba nights. There's a depth in the singer's voice which keeps you captivated and you can dance for hours on this Garba number. Number 8. Maa Shero Wali from the movie Suhag is the most heard and played songs of all time. It is a pure devotional song with no fancy lyrics or music and is the oldest Garba songs danced on right from the 80s till today. And believe it, I love to dance on it too. Number 7. Dhol Baje from the movie Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. A song sung by Karsan Sar Gathia, Kavita Krishnamurti and Vinod Rathore is one of the most recitated songs over decades. This song has also influenced many songs in terms of choreography, music and style. Number 6. Nagada sung Dhol Baje from the movie Goliyon Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela is a folk music composed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Begins with Deepika Padukone lighting up diyas and performing Garba with vengeance. This song's video is highly praised for Padukone's dancing skills and its Gujarati flavor. Number 5. Induna Vinva is one song by Falguni Pathak which was loved by all. Released in 2013, this song was based on traditional musical forms of Gujarat and the singer has developed a large fan base across India. This song is a hit every time Navratri festival kickstarts. Number 4. Dholida, a very popular song from the movie Love Yatri, sung by Udit Narayan Palak Muchal, Raja Hassan and Neha Kakkar, was Ayush Sharma and Varina Hussein's debut movie. This song is inspired from Gujarati folk song Dholida. Number 3. Udi Udi Jai from the movie Raees, sung by Sukhwinder Singh, Bhumi Trivedi, Karsan Sar Gathia, is the first song in which Shah Rukh Khan is seen doing Garba. It is a popular modern Garba number of 2017.
ये जो पतंग है तेरे ही संग है, तेरी ही ओर देख मुड़ी मुड़ी जाए.
Number 2. Chogada, another popular song from the movie Love Yasri, sung by Darshan Rawal and Asim Kaur, is extremely popular among the professional Garba dancers. It is inspired by Gujarati folk song Chogada Tara.
चोगाड़ा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग वेर जुए तारी बात.
So guys, before revealing the number 1, I would ask you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. So guys, number 1 on my list is Kamaria. Another song sung by Darshan Rawal is from the movie Mitro. It is a fusion of folk and modern rap. It was a popular number of 2018 Garba season with 8.5 million views. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also share my videos with your friends. Link of the featured songs is given in the description box below. If I have missed out any song that you think should be on the list, please mention it in the comment section below.